Intermittent catheterization is a medical procedure where a thin, flexible tube, a catheter, is temporarily inserted into the bladder through the urethra to drain urine. The catheter is removed once the bladder is emptied. This procedure may need to be performed several times throughout the day. The indications for intermittent catheterization are the items you'll need are Nelaton catheter, size 10, water-based lubricating gel tube, measuring jug with milliliter markings and a clean container. This is optional. Step 1. Preparation. Start by performing hand hygiene. Prepare all the necessary items on a clean surface table. Open the catheter carefully without contaminating the tubing and lubricate 5 inches from the tip of the catheter. Wash the genital area with soap and water. Step 2. Insertion. Perform hand hygiene. Pull back the foreskin if uncircumcised. Position yourself in the most comfortable sitting or standing position that is convenient for you. You may go to the toilet to do this if you prefer. Hold your penis upwards at a 90 degrees angle to straighten the urethra. Slowly insert the catheter into the urethral opening. Stop advancing the catheter when urine starts flowing. Lower the angle of the catheter to drain the urine in the toilet bowl or container. Avoid contaminating the catheter. Allow to drain completely. Step 3. Completion. Pull out the catheter gently for disposal. Wash the genital area with soap and water and push the foreskin back if uncircumcised. Wash your hands after the procedure. If instructed, measure and record the amount of urine using the measuring jug. Here are some things to note. Here is what to do if you encounter any difficulties. Always follow the catheterization schedule prescribed by the doctors. Contact us immediately if you experience the following. If you encounter any difficulties or issues, please contact the SKH Hotline to make an appointment for an outpatient review.